Mom, I can really go for a Dairy Queen Blizzard right now.
Ooh, that does sound good. What flavor are you thinking?
I want you to try the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard.
I can make that. Okay, here's your Dairy Queen Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. Take a sip, let me know what you think. Got some left over, so I might be having some too.
I really love it, Mom. The little pieces of animal cookie are so good. Now, do you think you could try making me a cotton candy blizzard?